What you gonna do with all that loot inside that pantsuit?
I'm gonna wear some sensible pumps so I can stomp.
What you gonna do with all them breasts and that modest blouse?
I'm gonna take them to the White House, the White House. 'Cause I'll stomp. I'll use my lady humps to stomp and stomp and stomp. Check it out.
I met a girl up in the Lincoln bedroom. She played the bride, I played the groom. I can be the pimp, you can be my first hoe. Air Force One's here, so let's go. Make sure I'll brand with my white water. Milky, milky white water. I'll brand with my white water. Milky, milky white.
The election I'll be winning, and Fox News will be spinning. You know I will not quit this. O'Reilly wants to hit this. Now I'm the only candidate, the one that they all want to date. Why you all getting nervous? It's just a Secret Service. Once you keep these bad boys, you'll forget about Obama. When you get a load of mama, a load of Chelsea's mama. Don't try and come in fighting, son. This ass is bipartisan. I'm just campaigning, son, and using my Hillary humps. 'Cause I'll stump. I'll use my Hillary bumps to stump and stump and stump.
She's got me voted.
Casting all your votes on me and fundraising for me.
She's got me voted.
Casting all your votes on me and fundraising for me.
Hey baby, come on.